Why it always seem like I waste time when I try to figure out what's on your mind?
What is good with y'all? It's your boy Curdy Bro, and I am back with another video. And in today's video, I'm going to be making a beat on Bandlab, man. This is going to be a pretty interesting video. Make sure y'all smash that like button, and let's get into it. Shout out to Prod by Infinite. He's a well-known producer. He's produced for a lot of popular artists that you may have heard of, such as Big X the Plug, La Russell, Sada Baby, E40, EBK J-Bo, and DB by the Bag. So that goes to show that bro is really legit. But as y'all can hear, we got some sounds to play with, man. So let's get into it. First off, let's get the BPM going. So I'm gonna let's probably do like a little, probably like a, I'm gonna do like 100 BPM. 100 BPM. All right, let's get it. And then make sure I put that, what was it? The count in on 1 bar, and we're ready to go. All right, now to make sure it sounds good and on point, I'm gonna put the repeater on right quick, and then I'm gonna go into the track and make sure everything is where it needs to be. It's already quantized. Now let's get into our drums. Well, we already got into our drums, but hold on. Hey, we cooking up in this. We cooking up, man. Hold on. It's only right to get the claps in. Hey, she wanna get flown out. Fuck it, I might just fucking buy the ticket. I might fucking buy it. Now that we got our foundation for the beat ready to go, you feel me? Now we just finna get the beat started. So I'm finna loop it, and then I'm gonna set this over here. That right there. Boom. And then I added the drums too late. Put that right there. Boom. Y'all think I'm finna trip, man? Let me know something in the comment section. Y'all think I'm finna go crazy? All right, now before I throw my vocals on, I'm gonna mix it a little bit. So for the melody, I'm gonna throw a little reverb on there. For my hi-hats, I'm gonna crank down the high ends a little bit. make the drums sound a little more punchy. So
Why do it seem like, why do it seem like why do it seem like, why do it seem like I waste time? When I try to figure out what's on your mind, sometimes I feel like you're not mine. Oh no, yeah, this shit get wicked, this shit get crazy. Are you really my baby? I need a dose of your love, something about you make me go crazy. On this bitch going dumb. No, I never give a fuck. Ballin' in, nigga too. I said, okay, ballin' on, nigga too. Beat her coochie down, now she stuck. Yeah. Okay, told her put it in my hand so I can go and double up. Ay, pull up in a Folkmatic. I was down on my dick and then I made it happen. Yeah, lights, camera, action, all eyes on me. Yeah. When it's my turn, I ain't showing sympathy, no.
I ain't gonna lie. I was tripping, man. But yeah, that's gonna be the end of the video. Shout out to Pride by Infinite for the sounds, man. I already know the vibes. And make sure y'all tune in for more big body bangers, man. Make sure y'all smash that subscribe button so you won't miss out on no dope content. But I'm gonna catch you on the next one. Kearney Bo in this thing. Kearney Bo in this thing. Hey, hold on, bro. Hey. Run this video to 1,000 likes if y'all want me to drop this song, man. No rap cap.